Hey everyone, RJ here with CV Tech, and today I will be unboxing the ZTE Blade X. Let's get it started. Okay everyone, so the ZTE Blade X is a phone, of course, on Cricket Wireless, and I've been wanting to get my hands on this phone really ever since it came out. It's been out for over a year. I was able to get it free in a port-in, so you can't really beat that. So the back here shows some specs. Got a 5.5-inch large HD display, quad-core processing power, and 4G LTE speeds. Got a 13-megapixel rear camera with flash and full HD video, with a 5-megapixel front camera, has Dolby Premium sound, fingerprint reader, and heart rate monitor, and HD voice capable. On the side here, you'll see wireless emergency alerts capable, HD voice, Qualcomm Snapdragon, Dolby audio, all that kind of stuff there. So let's go ahead here, open this box up, and right on top here, you will see the Cricket Clear and Simple Start Guide with the SIM removal tool there. Right here, of course, is the device. So we'll go ahead and take the phone out and put it to the side for a moment, and we'll see what and all does come in the box. So you have, of course, your Cricket SIM card, which is a nano SIM card. Get started here with Cricket. You have your ZTE Blade X product safety guide, your terms and conditions, and you also get a USB Type-C data cable there, as well as your wall adapter here. And I do believe that's all that comes in this box. So yeah, let me go ahead, get all this stuff here cleaned up, and we'll look at the phone. Okay, y'all, so the device is here. Let's go ahead and pull it out of this plastic here. And on the front there, it says, "Welcome to Cricket. We're thrilled you're here." On the bottom here is a back button, your home, and your recents button. On top, of course, is your front-facing camera, your receiver, and your 5.5-inch display. On the right side here, got a nice textured power button, as well as spaced volume rocker. On top, you got your 3.5mm headset jack, secondary microphone there. On the left is your SD and SIM tray there. On the bottom is your speaker, microphone, and USB Type-C charging port. On the back here is your single rear camera with flash, fingerprint scanner, got that Cricket logo right there, and your ZTE logo down here. Now, by the feel of it, it feels like a little mini Blade Z Max in a way. But it don't feel nowhere near as like heavy. I was expecting it to be a lot heavier than what this here feels like, but the pattern on the back, I like the way the pattern looks and feels and everything. Has a really nice feel to it. Let's go ahead and remove this front protector here and give this phone its first boot up. Got ZTE Blade X there, powered by Android. I'm going to go ahead, get this phone here all set up, and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay everyone, so we're set up now and ready to go, and I gotta say already, just by using the phone for a few minutes, I'm already loving this thing. It feels very smooth, very fluid. Now, of course, I will load all of my apps, my games, and really test this phone out to see what it can do. It says it's got a quad-core processor, so we'll see how that quad-core processor will run in this phone. It's got a few preloaded stuff here, like AskMD, you got Deezer, Facebook's already included, Office Suite, stuff like that. So hopefully I can delete all that kind of stuff. Let's go ahead and test out that fingerprint scanner back here. Now, I've already got it set up. Let's go ahead and test that. So it works just fine. One press, comes right on, very fast, and works every single time. Now, one thing that I didn't notice about this phone here is whenever you're holding it and it's kind of a certain type of light, the Cricket and the ZTE logo kind of like fades into the color of the phone, and when you turn it, it kind of brings it out. Maybe I'm the only one that really thought that was kind of cool, but you know, I just seen it and I thought, yeah, I want to share that. So anyway, let's go ahead and power the phone back on here and browse around a little bit. Let's go ahead and pull the drop down shade. See what we have going on in here. Got your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, your flash, location, airplane data, sync, do not disturb. Got your auto rotation. You got mobile hotspot, battery saver, and sound. You can edit those as well. Go up here into the settings here and browse around. It's got your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, mobile networks, mobile hotspot. Got more here. Got your airplane mode, enhanced LTE services, USB tethering, and VPN. Let's go down here to display. You have your brightness level, adaptive brightness, wallpaper, battery percentage. Got your sleep, power, press power button twice for camera, screensaver, ambient display, and all this stuff here, pulse, notification light, and navigation key light duration. Now looking here at the storage, this phone has 16 gigabytes of storage, but 8.96, right at 9 gigs is already used as that 16. And pressing this here, you got 7.04 gigs available out of 16. I never understand why a stock Android phone would need that much storage out of the box. You can add an SD card, but that takes up a lot of storage, and yeah, just the way it is, I reckon. Now scrolling on down here to about phone, this phone does run Android 7.1.1 Nougat with April 2018 security patch. So that's about all the settings right now I'm going to look into. Now looking here at the camera here for a bit, you got video mode, photo, manual mode. You got panorama, multi-exposure, and time-lapse features there. You also got your effects like low-mo, sepia, mono, cool, comic, warm, mirror, and fisheye. So you can do all of that there. Got your flash, self-timer, front-facing camera, all that stuff there. Looking here into the settings, has a 13 megapixel camera, and it drops down from there whatever resolution that you want to choose from. You got a watermark option, which is really cool. Shutter tone, geotagging, volume key here. You can use that for taking photos, zoom, or volume. And that's about it there. So let's go ahead here and go into the video and see what we have going on in here. So you can record here in full HD 1920 by 1080, 720p, or MMS video. Let's flip the camera around here to me on the front-facing camera. Got your video mode, selfie mode, and your beautify with your same effects going on there. This button here is like your little capturing smiles, self-timer, and all of that. Going to the settings here. Now this phone does have a 5 megapixel camera. You can tap to capture, mirror image, selfie indicator, shutter tone, and stuff like that. Let's go into the video settings here and see what we have here. You can record also in full HD 1920 by 1080, 1280 by 720, and MMS video. So like I say, I'm really, glad I got this phone here. If you're looking for Cricket, looking for a good phone for cheap or free, this is the one here to get if you can find it, because I'm telling you, I've heard a lot of good things about this phone. It seems to work very well. The screen is very nice and vivid. Yes, it does got them bezels. I know that's a really bad thing nowadays, but honestly, who really cares? It is what it is. So I mean, great little phone here. I'm loving it so far. So yeah, that's just my first look there at the ZTE Blade X on Cricket Wireless. If you found this video helpful and informative, hit that like button. Any questions that you may have, leave it below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell for post notifications. That would be awesome. Y'all have a good one, and thanks for watching.